We're back in the markets with EC Equities investing on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. EC Equities is a licensed and regulated stock brokerage firm based in Johannesburg, and basically we invest on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. A reason why, because it's the largest stock exchange in Africa, and therefore we see that it provides more opportunities in terms of the large sectors that they have, the multinational companies and so forth. So I'm going to log into two clients' accounts. Currently, I'm going to log into Hendret Oswald's account. She's been investing on the platform. The accounts that I'm doing a review on are live accounts, meaning it's real money being risked into the markets. These people are constructing their portfolio based on the advice that we give them with our advisory report. Our advisory report is a document that we publish quarterly, and within that document, we list a number of shares of various companies. We give an executive summary on our investing strategy, and then we list down the price of those shares and what price is quite a good price to buy and so forth. So, and in terms of, we check other things like dividends and all that. So I'm going to log into Android account. This is the account that has been reviewed in the first video in part 1. So this is part 2, and I'm going to introduce you to another account of another client, Victor Gottlieb, and how he's been performing, or how his portfolio is performing on the EC Equities account. So I'm logging into Hendret Oswald's account. I'm just quickly entering the password. Okay, so there's the user name and then the password that I've entered. All right, so let's quickly get out the pen. Let me take this color. Okay, we can see that Hendret's account, they say funds to invest. It's a ZAR account. The ZAR account is equivalent to the Namibian dollar. The current exchange rate, if we take the USD against the ZAR, it's 14.97. So that's the exchange rate, and it's basically the same in NAM dollars. Okay, so the account has funds of 43,092.28 cents. So she has 43,000 Namibian dollars in this account. And we can see it's a ZAR account, so meaning this is an account that is exposed to the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. If you see there's written EC Equities USD, it means this is for the NYSE, the New York Stock Exchange. Here you can see this is a demo. Here's a demo written here. So this, we are not using demo accounts for investing on the stock market. So this is a live account, and this is a live account, and this is a demo account written here. So we don't use that on this platform. Okay, let me clear all. So she has 43,000 in terms of money that she can invest on the stock market. So we're gonna check our account, and there we can see a balance. That balance that we see, the account value, stands at 58,725, and we can see that the account is in a profit of 5,506. And then here is the percentage of how much the account is in profits with, and we can see it's 54%. So they give us here a breakdown of how the portfolio has been constructed. We can see the investment type, the contribution or the distribution, sorry, and then the current value. So 26%, 0.5, 26%, meaning if we convert it to monetary value, that is 15,615, has been invested in stocks. Equities is for stocks, meaning shares. And then the funds to invest, 73%, it's liquid cash. So it's cash that is withdrawable. We can withdraw these funds. So there we can see how she's constructed her portfolio. So a huge amount is cash, and then the other amount that we see, it's invested in stocks, in the shares. Okay, and then we see the income there is the interest that she's gaining on the free cash per day, and then the minus 18 is the expense, is the cash management. All right, let's quickly clear this. All right, so we have more information here on the portfolio. All right, currently here we can see is the profit and the percentage. We see it's the brokerage fee that goes to the brokers to Easy Equities. She doesn't have any bundle cost. And then the total interest on free cash that she's earned, it's that, and then the net. So she's earned so far 312 Namibian dollars or rand on her portfolio. Then the funds to invest is that 43,000. Withdrawable funds, you can see that's equal. And then unsettled cash, there's no unsettled cash, there's no locked funds, and so forth. All right, so let's go and check how her portfolio has been constructed, where her money is lying, in what companies has it been invested, and how those companies are performing. Okay, let's see. The company that we have here is a steel company, Al Zero Mental. El Zero Mental, okay. We see it's a steel company. We see the purchase value, it's 3,058, and then the current value, it's 6,604. We can see that increasement. We can see that increase, the appreciation of the holdings. So this is what she invested and what the current value is. And then this price here is the share price. It's the share price current value. Now this purchase price is the total amount that she invested, and then and how much that investment is worth, and how much she paid per share, or how much the share is valued at per share. And then here we see the profit. Currently here she's in a profit of 115. She's in a profit of 115%, which is 3,546. This company, she bought it last month in January. So in January alone, it's 2021, she bought this company and she's gained so much returns from that company. And this is a company that can be sold tomorrow. So tomorrow's video, or the next video, part 3, we will showcase how that share is being bought, and what other investment she will make with the initial investment balance here. And this is the profit. Then we see she has another company, City Lodge Hotel Limited. The purchase value there is 4,170, and this is the current value. The price per share is 3.55 ZAR Namibian dollars, and she's in a profit there of plus 19%, plus 19%, which amounts to 813. So she invested in this company due to the coronavirus lockdown that started 2020. This caused the share price to drop, and she made the investment based on that, with the analysis that this company might, after the coronavirus, after the vaccination, that things might recover, and then the share value might go up. All right, and then we have Old Mutual here. We have Old Mutual there. We can see the investments that she made there, and then what the current value is, in the profit of 1,147. And we see she's in a profit of 39%. So I'm going to clear this now. So I cleared this, and let's go into depth. Let's get more insight on how the stock has been performing. Let's break down this portfolio. Okay, in the steel company, we see that she has 2,123 shares in the steel company, and the average purchase price is what she paid for one stock is 1.44 Namibian dollars. She paid 1 rand 44 cents. And then the delay price is the price that the share is currently trading at. And then what was the previous closing price? So we can see basically she bought the share at 1.45 I 44. So she bought the share somewhere here. There's the investments. Like I said, she bought it in January, and then how the share price has appreciated. So this chart basically shows the performance of 1 month worth of information, and there we can see the percentage, and we can see she's raked in so much. So this is quite a smart investment she made. This company was underlined or reviewed in our JSE investment letter, which is the Hedge Fund Trader 7.0 advisory report, where we list the various companies, what the share price is, and we give recommendation whether to buy or not to buy, and to hold, and whether what company to invest in that offers good stock dividend value. All right, so that's the report on that, or review on that. Then we go to City Lodge Hotels. And then we see she has 1,403 shares in this company. She bought one share at 2 rand point 97 cents, and then the value that the share is currently. So she bought the share somewhere here. We can see it increased up to 3.30. It was consistent there, held that level, depreciated, dropped a bit, and then the share went up again, trading at this current price where we see the delayed price. So she made a profit of 19%. They're giving a in monetary value of 813. Okay, and then we come to Old Mutual. Old Mutual, she has 275 shares. She bought one share for 10 rand. One share, the current price appreciated. We can see an increase there to 14.64, and this is the previous close price. So she bought the share more or less below this level, 10 rand point 47 cents, and then we can see the share appreciated, was in a consolidation phase, accumulation phase, and then appreciated again, and with that drop, and it's currently trading at this price. So yeah, and then she's in a profit of 39%, and we can see the review here, they say 23%, but remember she bought it below this price that is shown on the chart. So she's in a 39% profit in Old Mutual, and I think Old Mutual is gonna be the company that she's gonna sell for this value tomorrow. So in the next video, part 3, we will review how she sells the shares there. Okay, so that's the three company shares, and those three companies, basically all three of them, so 100% in terms of probability in profits, they're in a profit of this 5,506, and this is the percentage of profits on the portfolio, and this is her current value, and this is the amount she invested in total in those three companies, and the amount of cash she has available, and the interest that she's earning on the free cash per day. So this is a review on Hendred's account, quite a well balanced account. Reason I say that, we can see she has steel. She invested in the steel sector in that company. She's in hospitality, leisure and travel, hotels, and then she's in the finance sector in the insurance business. So it's well diversified. That's why she's having that 54% on her portfolio. So I'm going to log out of this account because I'm done with this account. So with any questions, any inquiries, feel free to drop it in the comments, to inbox me or to DM me for more information and how we go about making the sound investments, what we check it, how we diversify our portfolios, and the criteria that we follow to make these investments on this platform. Like I said, it's Easy Equities. They are licensed and regulated broker. They are owned by the Purple Group. They are listed on the stock exchange, the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. Okay, so I'm logging out of this account. Okay, then we come to the second account, Victor Gottlieb's account, and I'm going to enter the password. Enter his password, and then I'm logging in. Okay, I'm in Victor's Gottlieb's account, and let's check this out. He's in a profit. No, this is not the profit, sorry. The funds to invest, he only has 136 Namibian dollars rand to invest. This is the New York Stock Exchange. We are not investing on that. We are investing on the JSE. That is why the primary reason why we use this platform to invest on the JSE. You can invest on the US dollar. This is a demo account. We don't use this. And this is the demo for the USD. So these two accounts are live. So I'm giving a review on live accounts only. So yeah, let me break down his investment. Okay, or his portfolio. Let's go to account overview. There's his account number, and voila, we can see this account stands at 190,000. 190,000, quite a good substantial amount of money. 190,000 Namibian dollars rent. The account, the profit, if this account was in loss, you would have had the minus sign, but currently there's no minus sign. There's no minus sign. So his account value is 190,000. He's in a profit, so this is positive. This is 97,449. So he's in that profit, and the percentage on the portfolio 105%. Equities, how his portfolio is constructed, the distribution in terms of funds, 99.93%, which means this amount of money is invested in stocks, and this includes the profits. So is the initial amount, and then the profits. And then we see here the funds to be invested. He only has so much funds to be invested, how much interest is earning, and the cash management fee that for the interest that he gets there. All right, let's clear this and let's check the portfolio out. There's more information on their account. Let me just highlight it again. So there's the profits. This is the brokerage fees that Easy Equities made from his investments, or being the broker mandating or facilitating the buying and the selling of the shares. So, and then the interest is gained so far from his free cash and so forth. And then here's the funds that's available in his account that he can withdraw. All right, so let's check this portfolio out. Okay, so there's a medical health company there, and let's check it out. Purchase value, the current value, how much the share is, how much it's priced for one share, 72 cents, and is in a profit of plus 14%, which is 549. Then we have this water distillation or construction company, Avenge, total investments 7,131. The current value that the share appreciated to, or the value of the portfolio, is 10,521 on in this company. One share is priced at 3 cents, and this is the the profits, 47%, 3,390. All right, let me scroll down. Excuse me. There we can see City Lodge. He also invested in City Lodge, invested 30,000. Current value is 36. Current price is 3.55. That is 5,337. He's in a profit of 17%. Then we have Ellis. He invested 653. Current value is 971. One share is priced at 10 cents, and the profit is in a profit of uh, 318, which is 48%. And then we see another company here. This company we can see is in a minus of minus 74. He invested 3,600. It's in a drawdown of minus 74, meaning it amounts to 3,525. Then Nempec invested 9,000. Nempec itself, just check here. Amazing growth on these companies. Quite a good selection and a good investing strategy. That is the purchase value, and that is the current value. The profit alone is 23,131. Okay. And then PPC, which is a cement company, bought it, or a total purchase price there, it's 5,650. It stands at 11,000. One share in that company is priced at that. The profits alone 98%, 5,562. Then with R&B Holdings, he invested that amount of money. This is the current price per share, 909, nearly 1,000, 13.38%. And then we have Cecil. He invested 12,000 in Cecil. Current value stands at 62,842. One share is priced at 198. That is 50,000. Percentage 429 on Sasol alone. Okay. And then we have this other company, Stefani and Stocks. He's in a profit of 138. And then we have Steinhoff. He made a good amount of money on Steinhoff, invested that purchase value 17,000 on the portfolio. The share is priced at 2 Rand, and this is the profits that he has, 7,342. That is 75%. Okay, let's scroll, go up, and that is how his portfolios are doing. So these two clients really followed the strategy, they followed the guidelines, they made good analysis with the support of our advisory report. And I just want to say congratulations to these two clients. Quite a good strategy, a good sum of monies they've made, how they're managing their portfolio, the patience that they have, how well disciplined they are, and how they're diversifying their portfolio. Raymond Motonani, I'm signing out. For any inquiries, feel free to contact.